Hey guys, James here, dentrepairjacks.com. I got this 2017 Sienna right here. It's got some pretty good damage to the back hatch. So these Siennas have a very little bracing in this area, and what happens is people shut the hatch too hard, push too hard right here on this molding, and cave in the hatch, or even put their shoulder into it and put these dents. There's very little bracing to prevent this whole thing from caving in, so that's probably what happened here. Someone slammed it too hard and caved it in, so be careful if you own a Sienna between 2011 and the current model. I think it's the same. Even before that, I think the hatches are very flimsy brace-wise, so we're gonna get into this, fix this with paintless dent removal, and we'll check out the results. Thanks, y'all. Hey friends, I'm all done with this Sienna. I was able to repair the damage. Looks really good. Be careful with those hatches when you close them. Don't press too hard. Let the momentum of the hatch kind of shut itself. Don't lean into it, definitely. Especially if you own a Sienna, which I do own a Sienna, and I love it. Hey, listen, minivans are awesome. Let's face it. They carry tons of people. They carry tons of stuff. I mean, what else do you need, really? Alright guys, check out what this damage looks like.